What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to accept Temu invitation on computer PC. So you might be wondering how to exactly accept those invitations that was sent from your friend or family members. So in this case, first things first is you want to get the actual link from for that invitation. Now you can get this on any messaging pro account out there, like for example Facebook or Messenger here. But what's important here is to get the actual link and access this via your browser. Now you can just copy the link itself or just click on it to open it up. But the thing with this one is you need to basically follow a few things. Now the thing with Temu here is Temu have different regions that you need to follow. Now, for example, if the person that sent you the invitation is from another country, like let's just say from Australia, and for example, you're in the United States, then if you try accepting that while in the United States, so in this case, there might be some error that you might be getting. So in this case, like for example, in my case, I've accepted an invitation from directly from Australia, and as you can see, this is what's going to tell me. Now, sorry, this activity is currently not available in your country or region. Now, in this case, if that's the case, there's nothing much that we could do here, but if that specific invitation is valid on your current region, you should be able to use that specific invitation on your Temu account. But then again, there are going to be some region restrictions, so just keep that in mind if you do see this error here. But in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.